Hi, one of the things that people keep telling me that they're having trouble with is how to take a screenshot of something. You're going to come over here and type into your search bar SNIP for snipping tool. It's going to come up here, but what I want you to do is I want you to look over here. You're going to click pin to start. You're also going to click pin to taskbar. And what that does is you're always going to have your little snipping tool down here. So now that I've got my snipping tool down here, anytime I want to take a screenshot of something, I click on that. I click new because I want to take a new picture. And I'm just going to select whatever it is that I want to take a picture of. And once I do that, I don't have to copy it or anything. I can just click where I want to put it, right click to paste, and then you've got your screenshot right there.